C1 is CH1 indoor temperature sensor open or closed circuit. C2 is CH2 outdoor temperature sensor open or closed circuit. C4 or CH4 heatsink temperature sensor open or closed circuit. C5 or CH5 communication indoor and outdoor units. C6 is CH6 excessive current at inverter DC power circuit. C7 is CH7 excessive compressor current. C8 or CH8 indoor fan not rotating. C9 is CH9 outdoor fan not rotating. CA is CH10 faulty discharge thermistor. C8 discharge temp more than 130 degrees Celsius. 2. Faulty discharge thermistor. CCEEPROM error. CD inverter module error. PO system in power mode not a fault. Low system in test mode not a fault. Error 41 inverter compressor discharge thermistor fault. Error 44 outdoor unit air thermistor. Error 45 condenser coil outlet thermistor. Error 46 compressor section thermistor. Error 47 inverter compressor discharge thermistor fault. Error 39 PCB defect wiring defect. ODU inverter PCB assembly damage. Error 01 indoor unit return air thermistor. Error 02 indoor unit coil inlet thermistor. Error 03 wiring error between the remote controller and the fan coil. Error 04 float switch fan. Error 05 communication indoor and outdoor. Error 06 indoor unit coil outlet thermistor. Error 09 EEPROM connects on main PCB. Error 10 indoor fan motor problem. Error 21 overcurrent in the inverter's DC power circuit. Error 22 compressor overcurrent. C code. Error 25 incoming power supply to the system. Error 26 inverter compressor indicates a seized compressor. Error 27 inverter module C section on testing. Error 28 DC voltage inverter is too high. Error 29 overload operation, compressor damaged, motor damaged, input voltage low, ODU inverter PCB assembly damage. Error 32 inverter compressor discharge temperature is high, above 105 C. Error 73 overload operation, compressor damaged, motor damaged, input voltage low, ODU inverter PCB assembly damage. Error 67 outer fan motor. Error 65 inverter PCB heatsink thermistor. Error 62 outer unit inverter heatsink thermistor. Error 61 indicates the outer unit condenser coil temperature is high above 65 C.